to marry you. I don't feel any pain. I don't fall rain. Can hardly hurt me now. You're here. That's all I need to know. And you will keep me safe. And you will keep me warm. And rain will make the flowers grow.
But you will lift me to God above. If I could heal your wounds with words of love.
Just hold me now and let it be. Comfort me.
You would live if I could show you now. I won't desert you now.
No rain can hurt me now. No rain.